test drive the 2022 Acura TLX. The Acura TLX impresses drivers with its nimble handling, great fuel economy, and long list of high-tech features. It comes with an extremely quiet interior, spacious front seats, and smooth ride quality. This vehicle has less than 7,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, front suspension type, strut, power brakes, braking assist, voice-activated navigation system, leather upholstery. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.